Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to normally clean your PS5 fan if it cannot shut the fuck up. So, you're going to need this because you're not just going to blow it out. It's still going to be there. First, you have to actually take off the covers. Make sure you do power off on your PS5 before you actually unplug it. As you can see, I'm obviously unplugged it there. I'm going to show you how to take off the covers. You want to put your hand here. You want to kind of like lift it and then slide. You can also do it like that. You have to lift it up and then slide it to the left. So it's gonna look like that. Some people might think that this looks like it's broken, but it's actually not. It actually looks quite cool. Now for the other side, you don't do it from here. You do it from here. Hold it up and then, like that. You're gonna lift it like that. Push your covers where you want. Or you can also use this video as a guide if you want to apply new covers. Make sure that you put your PS5 like this. You're gonna want to grab a anti-dust spray and you just want to spray the fan. This is the fan. You're gonna kind of want to like blow it until it starts spinning. Like you're gonna blow it, and when it spins, make sure to blow harder. Okay, so once you've blown out the stuff from your fan, I'm gonna show you how to put the plates back on. So the way you're gonna apply it is you're gonna put it like this for the disc side. You're gonna like put it on, and then you want it to like slide on until it clicks, like that. Same for the other side. You wanna put it on, and then until it clicks, and you're all set. But wait, why clean your fan when the PS5 can almost never overheat? Like Alan, it's just so quiet all the time. It spins nice, and it's not as loud as the PS4. There is no overheating error. Actually, there is. There is, just like I said, an overheating error. Alan, this is a PS5, not a PS4. It's not as loud. Yeah, but did you try unplugging the fan? I do not recommend you do this at home. It could damage your PS5, I think. Look at that. You can unplug it. I do not recommend that you do this. I highly don't recommend that you do this. And if you do want to do this, then don't pull it by the cable. It's going to damage. So now that it's unplugged, does PS5 overheatment actually exist? Let's find out. Look at that. Bro looks goofier than goofy. You can hear it's actually very quiet about the fan. Look, it's not spinning. So I have a couple of games to... I'll go with... Let's go with Super Hot. It's a great game after all. It can't be that bad, PS5, right? There's no way you can overheat over a PS4 game. Editor, please cut it out to the PS5 overheats, okay, editor? PS5, can you survive not overheating with intense graphics from a PS5 game this time? Super Hot was a good, easy game because it's PS4, but... Oh my god! Oh my god, it's real! Wow! What? It's actually real. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Let me plug the fan back. Actually... I think it's plugged in. Right, I plugged it in. Guys, I'm serious. Do not try this at home. I mean, if it happens without unplugging the fan, then your PS5 is fucked. Or maybe you just use it for way too long. Like I do, I overnight it. That was actually crazy. I didn't know that PS5 could overheat. Because it's the strongest console out there. Well, comparing to the Xbox, it's a console war. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you can leave a like. And if you want to see more videos, then subscribe, please. And also subscribe to my editor. I'm going to leave his channel link in the description. I mean, I'll try to, if my dementia won't forget it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye. Your PS5 is overheating. Turn off your console